the exact same as I remember. Holy. It's a, oh, it is. Yeah, see, look, it is Westinghouse. I got a picture of the buttons though. Told you. Fuck.
Who's going this way?
Yeah. Let me get a. Yeah, look at the call station though. Wait. Watch the gate. What? You got. I think you just gotta hold it for a second. Here. Let me get it. Holy shit. What the fuck? Hold on. Okay. Fucking holding it as hard as I fucking can. Holy shit.
Yo. Oh my god.
Holy shit.
You got it.
This is the Freight of Burlington.
This is the Freight of Burlington gated for Maryland. Oh my god.
I can't believe this is real.
Yo, I actually cannot believe.
Stay out of the sensor. Because this, I'm pretty sure it's the sensors that's fucking the door up.
Go.
It's gonna open. Alright. Sorry. You wanna hit it?
Yeah.
Formerly a Montgomery ward. Let me get a picture.